Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the email account you intend to update. Use the primary device with Signal because you may receive verification codes. Once signed in, navigate to Account Settings, then Security or Personal Info, depending on provider. Make sure two-factor authentication is active. If not, enable it now to protect access. You need current recovery options visible, since the system often asks to confirm identity before allowing mobile edits. Proceed to the Contact or Phone section to begin the change. You now edit the phone entry, click Edit or Add Phone Number and select Mobile Type. Enter the new number in international format because that avoids formatting errors, and request a verification code. Providers will text or call. Once the code arrives, type it exactly into the verification field, then confirm. Make sure to save changes and watch for a confirmation notification. If you use multiple accounts, repeat this step per account and update any linked services that rely on the old number. Finish by reviewing recovery options. Remove the old number if you no longer control it, and ensure the new number is marked for two-factor authentication and alerts. Test by signing out and back in to trigger a 2FA code. This confirms delivery and correct routing. If you don't receive a code, retry. Check Signal and do not exceed retries. Once done, use the recovery email or backup codes. If persistent failure occurs, contact provider support for identity verification and manual update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.